Hello, fourth graders. Happy Friday. It's Miss Kovarik with your science lesson for today. So to end our space week, I decided to give you guys a little time to research a planet of your choice and find some interesting facts about it. So the first thing you're going to do is get onto this website right here, 9planets.org/kids, and you're going to come to this website right here. You're going to choose one of these planets that you want to study a little bit more. I did not add on Mars or Earth because we already kind of did our own daily study of that. So I want you to pick a different planet that we haven't really studied yet. So you're going to choose Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune. Whatever planet you choose, you're going to click it on the side here. So let's pretend that I'm going to choose... Well, you know what? I'll do Mars just so that nobody can see all the answers to theirs. Okay, so you get your facts over here, and there's also going to be some charts off to the side that may help you. So just kind of scroll through the website, read the different facts. You are coming up with 1, 2, 3 interesting facts. Make sure that they are complete sentences. You're giving me more than just a word. These are worth 2 points each, so make sure you can get your full credit on that by giving me full facts, full details. And then the last question is an opinion. Would you like to live on this planet? Why or why not? And make sure to use some evidence from the research that you did on the website. So let's look through Mars and see what we can find. Here's a fun fact right off the bat. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. For the Greeks, Mars was known as Ares. It was named after the god of war because it's red color. So that's an interesting fact. I could write for my first fact. So let's see. I choose, well, Mars isn't there. Mars was named after the Greek god of war because it is red. Okay, there's my one fact. One sentence. Start with a capital, end with a period. All right, let's see if we can find 2 more. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. I think that's definitely a fact. I'm not sure if it's very interesting, so I'm going to keep reading. Mars is the most widely searched planet for life, inspiring many works of fiction. That's pretty cool. So my second fact is going to be Mars inspired many pieces of fiction, and scientists study it for life. Okay? Now let's go back and find a third interesting fact. Let's see. See, fact, but not too interesting. That's talking about the size of Mars. Mars has 2 known natural satellites. I could talk about its 2 moons and the names of the moons. The atmosphere of Mars is thin, mostly carbon dioxide. Let's see. So this is pretty cool. Mars has seasons. It has polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. So those are some really great ways that Mars is very similar to Earth. Ooh, this is pretty cool. So this is a picture of Valles Marineris, and it's a network of canyons that run along Mars. I could write my third fact about that. Okay, I'm going to stop there because I think I have more than enough information. But there's a ton, guys. Just keep scrolling down, see what catches your eye, come up with the 3 most interesting facts you can find. And then for the last one, just make sure that you give me reasons, just like in a normal written response. You've got to give me some evidence. You wouldn't pick a place to live without evidence. So tell me, would you want to live there? Yes, because it has all of these different things. No, because of this detail. Okay, so for Mars, I would probably say, yes, I would like to live, oh my goodness, on Mars. I want to live there because there are canyons, seasons, and weather just like Earth. Also, let's see, one more fact of why I might want to live on Mars. Ooh, what about the gravity? There's less gravity on Mars, and that would be fun. Okay? 2 details, more than enough, complete sentences, and that'll be it for today's science. I hope you guys had a great Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. Stay safe, and we will see you on Monday. Goodbye, Adams.